Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how you can upgrade to ElevenLabs Premium, or how you can get a paid plan of ElevenLabs. So what you need to do is you need to tap on your profile picture right here in the right upper corner, tap on it and then go to subscription. As you can see, I'm currently using the free plan, subscribe to free. You can see how many charities I've used and when the next reset is, so in 30 days. What you can do is you can select a plan. So as you see, the starter plan is just in the first month $1, 80% off. So it's you can select this plan just for $1 in the first month. As you see here, you can see what's included in the plan. As you see, the free plan I'm currently using, or this plan, or even more expensive plans, or even enterprise. You can see the benefits of it, but I recommend you just a starter plan. It's very great. $1 in the first month. If you do not like it, you can just cancel your plan. It's very great. As you can see, you also get RPA access. You can use different voices, random voices, instant voice cloning. You can create up to 10 custom voices. More voice generation, so more quota. And long form speech synthesis. I don't know how to pronounce that word. But anyway, you just tap on subscribe, you will be redirected to a payment provider, and you can just pay $1 in your first month. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel. It means a lot, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.